you know how to open HEIC file in Windows 11 10.8.7? If this question is bothering you, come and watch this definitive guide with us, and you will be sure to get your admirable method soon. Part 2. How to open an HEIC file in Windows via HEIF image extensions. How to open HEIC files on Windows via HEIF image extensions. Locate and double-click an HEIC file in File Explorer. If prompted, choose Photos. Click Download and Install Now for the HEIF image extension from Microsoft. When asked to switch apps, select Yes. Open the Microsoft Store for HEIF image extensions. Click Get to install HEIC file support. After opening an HEIC image in Photos, view it like other image formats. Windows File Explorer will generate thumbnails for HEIC files. Part 3. How to convert and open HEIC files on Windows 11 10.8.7 via HEIC Converter. Mobikin HEIC to JPG Converter is a program being dedicated to changing HEIC to JPG or PG or JPEG, by which you can easily view HEIC on Windows, Android, iOS, macOS. How to view or open HEIC files on Windows with HEIC to JPG Converter. Step 1. Open HEIC to JPG Converter on computer. Step 2. Add HEIC files. Step 3. Set output format. Step 4. Convert and open HEIC file on Windows.